Time to start from Patiala, and I'll be going to Sangrur bypass first to meet Puneet, the other rider. As you can see, contrary to everyone's expectations, there is no fog. It's just 7:15. I know, yaar. I just checked it here. Kya hal chal hai? How are you? Nice to meet you. I've just collected Puneet from the RV spot, and now we are heading towards Bathinda. But wow, this is what I was talking about. Oh my goodness. See the amount of fog? Wow. Just a small patch.
He's doing well for himself now as well.
So this is Haryana, I think, right? This is Haryana, right? Dabwali. So this is the border town of Hanumangarh, and we are about to enter the state of Rajasthan. Welcome to Rajasthan. This is a city called Suratgarh, very famous. Bikaner is another 165 kilometers, at least where we have to go, the hotel. We have decided to stop here for a cup of tea. We have just stopped to have a cup of tea here. Well, we have entered Bikaner around 20 kilometers ago. So we finally made it, and now we are at Heritage Resort. This is we are about to leave from Bikaner. This is day 2 for us. We have around 380 kilometers to cover. As you can see now, we are going through Bikaner city. We're still in the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. NH11, this is the route that normally people take when they do the whole circumnavigation of India. And we're gonna have some nice tea and coffee here. It's another local eatery. doing the final stretch for our destination, another 70 to 80 kilometers. Welcome to Jaisalmer, as you can see. Indian Army. You can see the fort. This is the on our way to some desert now, right in the region of Thar. We are in Thar Desert now, only 20 kilometers away from our hotel. So finally at our destination for 2 days. This is the same dirt patch that we came through. It's tricky to ride on it. We will be doing camel safari in the evening as well, provided we do return on time. कि पहले टेंपल चले
वही तनोट वही रोड है, पहले तनोट आएगा उसके बाद वापस आते हुए लौंगे वाला आएगा।
ओके ठीक है ठीक है। Right in the middle of Thar Desert now. This is just amazing. Ajay bhai, how's the feeling?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Good ride.
How's the Josh? Good?
It's
Still high? So we are only 30 kilometers away from our first pit stop, major pit stop. We did have a stop for fueling. That will be the Tanot temple. This is the temple. There's a BSF checkpost here because it's right at the border. recording you all, so keep moving. So we had a good lunch and now we are off to the border. So finally we are in. We are going right towards Pakistan now. It just feels so awesome to say that if we keep on going on this road, in few kilometers we will actually reach Pakistan. There's another biker group here as well.
On that side is Pakistan.
Wow. How's the feeling, guys? Good? Still good? Still holding up? Thanks to Naveen Bhai, we were able to see the Pakistan and India border with that much proximity. We have decided to go and see Longowal border as well. Finally we made it to Longewala. This is Longewala border where 1971. We're crossing a local Rajasthani village. It's on the border. dark already, and we still have another 55 to 60 kilometers to cover. So it'll probably take us another 40 minutes or so if we keep cruising at good speeds. So this is day 4 and the last day, actually second last day. So we are in Marriott Jaisalmer for coffee.
We'll just wait for him.
Sure.
उसको ज़्यादा पता है यहाँ का.
काम ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है फिर क्या हो रहा है. हाँ सर.
So we were just joined by another rider, Deepak Bhai, who is posted here, also another army man, and he hosted us here for coffee and some light snacks. Meet us. We are entering Jaisalmer city now, and from here we'll be riding towards Pokhran. Nice meeting you, bro. Take care. We'll see you next time.
YouTube, I suppose.
Huh?
You have a channel on YouTube?
Yeah. Under my name, Aruj Singla.
Aruj Singla.
Yeah. Very nice meeting you, Naveen bhai. मिलते हैं जल्दी. Come towards that side, मिलते हैं हम. पंजाब side आओ.
I'm getting posted to Pathankot again. ना?
ठीक है, तो करते हैं राइड प्लान. We are around 140 kilometers away from Bikaner. We just crossed Bikaner, took the bypass towards Sri Ganganagar. Bathinda is still around 300 kilometers from here. We have So we have reached Suratgarh.